Hello friends, welcome to another video on Attiny85. In my last video, I introduced you Attiny85 and now I am going to show you how to program it using Arduino. Since Attiny85 is just a microcontroller, so we can easily program it using Arduino Uno as ISP. Here ISP stands for In System Programmer. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. For this we need Arduino Uno, 10 microfarad or 15 microfarad capacitor, some male-to-male jumper wires, of course our Attiny85. To program the Attiny85 we need to first set up Arduino Uno in ISP mode. Connect your Arduino Uno to the PC, open Arduino IDE and open the Arduino ISP example. Go to File, then Example, Arduino ISP and upload it. By default, our Arduino IDE does not support Attiny85, so we should add Attiny board to our Arduino IDE. For this, open File, go to Preferences and in the Additional Board Manager URLs, paste this URL copied from description and click OK. After this is done, open Tools, go to Boards, then Board Manager. After opening board manager, scroll down list here and click to install. After installing, now we would able to see a new entry in the board menu. Now with all the things ready, we will start programming the Attiny85. Let's connect the Arduino Uno to Attiny85 using breadboard and connect 5 volt to VCC, ground to ground, pin number 13 of Arduino to pin number 2 of Attiny85, pin number 12 to pin 1, pin 11 to pin 0 and pin 10 of Arduino to reset pin of Attiny. Add a 10 microfarad or 15 microfarad capacitor between reset and ground in Arduino. Here we use this capacitor to avoid Arduino from being auto reset when we upload the program to Attiny85. Now back to Arduino IDE, select Attiny under 85, select processor Attiny85, clock at internal 8 MHz. Then make sure Arduino as ISP is selected. If you select the Arduino ISP, then you get an error. By default, our Attiny85 runs at 1 MHz. To make sure it to run at 8 MHz, then we should burn new bootloader for 8 MHz in our Attiny85. Now open the blink example from Arduino examples and change the pin 13 to 0 and upload. Now it's time to test. Remove all connections from Arduino and take a power sources. Here I am using a 5 volt power adapter to power Attiny85.